Hello YouTube, I'm Mr. Programmer JC. Today I will show you how to use Civitai on the Colab. What I will show in video first, I will show you how to load illustrious model and load the model with the LoRa and keep your effort safety in the Google Drive. What problem you may have? First, you may can not download the model even it is free, and can load the model with the right way and forget save the result. And Google Drive may well delete your effort because of your image may contain adult element. On Civitai, you need to add your API key first. So we go to the Civitai. After you register the account, you need to click the right top corner here and click here, account settings, and scroll down, find out the API key. Here, API keys, add the API key. Okay, register a name you want to use. Okay, API for Colab and save. You will get the API key and click copy and paste on your Colab here. Okay, next step, we need the Hugging Face token. So we go to the Hugging Face and click here and the settings and the access tokens. Create a new token. Okay, give a name you want to use. Okay, token. So Civitai. Okay, scroll down and create a token. Okay, copy the token. Okay, paste on your Colab. Now, next step, we need to find the model you want to use on Civitai. Okay, we need to find the model here and with your filter. Okay, O type and O type, and using the safe tensor format here, and with your base model, illustrious. Okay. Now you will find the model with the right format. Pick the model you want to use. Now you will find the link here, the download, and right click, copy the link, and paste on your base link here. Okay, paste it. Okay. Next step, you need to fix the link with your Civitai API token. Here, add the token here is equalize your API key token path and with the enter. So your link will be like this. You add something here. Okay. Token is equalize your API key token and with the end. And next step, we need to go back to Civitai and find the LoRa model you want to use. Okay, here, and click the LoRa here. And here will show all the LoRa model here, but you need to check your base model. Then we go back to the base model we choose. Illustrious with the SL size base model. So you need to pick the SL size LoRa too. Okay. So here is a lot of LoRa model you can choose. But if you have some word you want to search, type on here, like Disney, here, and press enter. And you can edit your filter file here. Okay, illustrious. and the LoRa and the format save tensor here. Okay, now you will get a LoRa model list here. Okay, with Disney. Oh, this Disney model looks pretty good. So we choose this LoRa model. Okay, download here, right click, copy the link, and paste the link on the Colab here. Okay, paste it. And you also need edit your token on here. Token is equalize the Civitai API key token here and add your end. Okay, now you can connect your Colab now. But why you need add your API key token? Because on the Colab or other place, you using the link to download the model may will false or get fail. So you will need using the Civitai API token to promise your link will work now. Okay. Now we need change our Colab to the GPU. Okay. Select the L4 GPU machine. Okay, and set and connect. And just wait for a while. It's connected now. Okay, now we have the GPU machine now. Okay, so we can run the code now. Here, install a Hugging Face package. Okay, install a Python package for loading model. Okay, here, and you need download the face model here, and download the LoRa model here, and just wait for a while. Okay. Okay, now we have already downloaded the two model here. Okay, let me check. Let me check here. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. Okay, here we have the two model here. The base model and the LoRa model have already downloaded. Now we can use the base model. So we need to log in the Hugging Face by the CLI first. So we need copy the Hugging Face token here and paste the token on here. Okay, paste and enter and type a Y for yes. Now we log in the Hugging Face. Now we can loading our model now. Okay, now we can see our system rate. It will get growth. Okay, now we have already loaded the model to the system rate. And next step, we need move the model to the GPU because the GPU will make the model isolate. Okay, we move the model to the GPU. And watch here, the GPU RAM will get growth. Okay, now you can enjoy your best model. So I use the promote is a girl smile with the confidence. Okay, smile, smile. Okay, smile with the confidence. And the native promoter is ugly. We don't want the ugly image, right? Okay, let's try it. Okay. Okay, now you will get an image here. Okay, here is the girl smile with confidence here. And next we will try the model with the LoRa. Okay, go to here. Okay, with a girl smile with confidence. Okay, and with the LoRa here. Okay, now we have generated the image with the LoRa here. Okay, we can compare to model. This is without LoRa, and this is with LoRa. It's very pretty, huh? So we can save the result in a Google Drive safety in next step. Okay, so we need mount your Google Drive here. Okay, connect to the Google Drive. Okay, and choose your account and select all the access and continue. Okay, and for a while. Okay, we look here. Now we have already connect our Google Drive here. So you need to create a folder to save your image to the Google Drive here. So we create a new folder here under the My Drive here. New folder. Okay. Civitai example. Okay. Civitai example. Okay. We delete the old folder. Okay. And now copy the path here. Okay. And paste here. Paste your path. Paste your path here. And your compress file name here. And your password here. And let's run it. Now we can generate a lot of the LoRa image or without the LoRa's image here. Okay, here is a setting the image numbers here. We just try generate 10 images. Okay, so we first generate the non-LoRa images here. Okay, and our promote is the happy girl dressed a lot, and the negative promote is gray and sad because we don't want the adult element appear in our image, right? And we don't want some negative emotion in our image. So we just set up the promote like this and this and just wait for a while. Okay. Okay, let's interrupt here. Even if the programming interrupt, you will still keep your file here. Okay. Here my drive here. Civitai example. Okay. Now we will get a test.zip here. Okay, as you saw, we can see our file because our file with the password. So we need go to the copy our password here. Okay, copy our password and using our password. Okay, now we can see our image now. So if you try to use this programming, you will get a lot of the image and even the programming interrupt, you will keep your file. Okay, so you can save your result in a Google Drive safety. And even if your programming is interrupt, okay, it is very good. Okay, so you can try with a LoRa generate the image. Just let us generate some image. Okay. Okay, let's interrupt the LoRa model here because it take too long time. Okay. Now we can see our model, the result. Okay. Here with the LoRa test. Okay. And double click and you will see, you still can see the index here because you need the password. Okay. So we copy the password here. And here, open the zip. Okay. And here, paste the password. Okay. Now you can see the image you generate. Okay. This is with LoRa. And this is without LoRa. Okay. We see the next. Okay. This is with LoRa. This is without the LoRa. Okay. You can see the difference. Okay. And the second image. This is with LoRa. This is without the LoRa. Okay. This is with a Disney reality LoRa model. Okay. So you can using the LoRa to change your model to what you want. Okay. And the this session program is generate the image and save in the compressed file and with the password. So the Google Drive can search your file without the password here. So Google Drive will not delete your file. You can keep your effort uh, inside the Google Drive with the Colab. So this is what I can uh, supply to you to do with the Colab and keep your effort. Okay, and thank you for your watching. This content is made by myself. If you want to support me, subscribe me. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.